Take a look at 4 practice problems that involve decimals with exponents. If you haven't watched my tutorial on this topic, I'll put a link in the description for that one. Watch that one first, then come back and work the practice problems. When solving for decimals with exponents, you will solve as you would a normal exponent, except at the end, you need to adjust for the number of spaces in your decimal. The 4 practice problems are here. Pause the video and work them out for yourself. When you're done, unpause it and see if our answers match. Example 1, 0.4 squared. I like to write these out in expanded form, which would be 0.4 times 0.4. We ignore the decimals and multiply our whole numbers, which is 4 times 4. We write down 16 and move the decimal 2 places since there is 1 decimal place with each one. When you move the decimal 2 places to the left, we get an answer of 0.16. Example 2. Solve 0.3 squared. Same as the last example. We write down 0.3 times 0.3. We multiply our whole numbers and we get 9. Move the decimal 2 places, that is the total number we have in the equation in expanded form, and we get 0.09. Example 3. Solve 0.11 squared. We write down 0.11 times 0.11. We know 11 times 11 is 121. There are 4 decimal places, and we move that over for our final answer to be 0.0121. Last example, 0.5 cubed. We write down 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. We multiply 5 times 5 times 5, and we get 125. We move the decimal to the left 3 spots in total, and we get 0.125. Let me know how you did. Drop me a comment or click the thumbs up if you got them all right. Thanks for watching.